I personally never count for myself, and I do not recommend anyone to count when they dance. The counting only comes when I'm teaching. When I teach, I need to explain people what I want, so you count, you know? It's better to develop that feeling of the time. So scatting is way better. Sagadoo bab-doo, sagadoo bab-op. So if you're going to sing the song you're dancing to, for example, or just scat some moves, that's so much better. So instead of looking in the numbers and the moves, let's connect with the music and the melody, and from there comes the moves, you know? So it's not from numbers and your steps. It's completely and entirely from the timing and the melody and the phrasing of the song, and then how you respond to it, yeah? So yeah, put the songs that you know and sing to them. Da-ba-do-ba, ba-ba-do-ba-ba, da-ba-do-ba, da-ba-do-ba-ba, and fitting your dancing within this feel.